I should have stayed at home. 'Cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. And I could have made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be. And see, I wasn't made for you when you weren't made for me. Though it seems so easy. And that's because I wanna be your favorite girl. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie awake. And I still wanna be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you'll be mine, but I still wanna break your heart and make you cry. But won't you wait? Oh, it's too late. I'm on my own now. Let me tell you how it feels to be so great. I feel great. Whoa, whoa. You need to be yourself. Love someone for loving you instead of someone really cool that makes your heart melt. Is that how you truly felt? But you're still my favorite boy. You best believe me when I tell you that there's no one else more beautiful in this damn world. In this damn world. Be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend. You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby.